my dear art fellows! During my today's class I'll show you how to create lovely character, and the most important thing, we're gonna create magical environment for him. So I hope you're ready! My name is Inga Yun. I'm artist, freelance illustrator, and I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things and cute creatures. And in my classes I like to share some tips and tricks how to use Procreate, how to ease your painting process and how to enjoy your painting process as well. I will take you through the whole journey, my whole painting process. First of all, I will show you how to export our freebies, how to use them. Then I'll show you how to create sketch and how to arrange our elements on a canvas in a beautiful way. And finally, we can start painting. First of all, I'll show you step-by-step process of creating magical environment, creating character, adding character to your composition, and the process of adding colors and shades. Also, we will explore what is clipping mask, how to use layers, and also how to use curves and hue, saturation and brightness tool. I think this is very important. And in the end of my class, we will create lovely illustration with cute characters surrounded by magical creatures and mysterious environment. So I hope you are ready, and if so, grab your iPad, Apple Pencil, and we are ready to start our painting process. Hello everyone! So during our today's class I will show you how to create magical scene, and we're gonna create lovely character, and that will be which we're gonna place in a forest, mystical forest, and she will be surrounded by lovely rabbits, some kind of magical creatures and a few ghosts. And we will talk about composition, about importance of storytelling. I will tell you a little bit about shades and highlights, how to choose the proper colors, where to find some color palettes that might be pretty useful for you, not just during my tutorial, but for your own projects as well. So our today's class is pretty big, but I'm gonna share with you all the knowledge that I know, and I hope it will be useful for you as well. But of course, first of all, we will start with creating paper. I will tell you where to find all the freebies that I prepared for you, how to use Procreate brush set, how to use color palette. After that, we will jump to the next part where we will create sketch, and in this part I will tell you about the storytelling and I will tell you about the composition briefly. Next step will be we're gonna add some colors, and of course it's very important to add shades and highlights to create some volume in your illustration. And final touch will be adding final details, and that will be some stamps, splatters, blooms, and that will be the end for our class. Guys, I prepared lots of interesting things for you, and I hope you're ready to start painting. So let's jump to our first part where I will tell you how to create watercolor paper and how to export all our freebies.